Okay, guys, you're welcome again to the episode of Set Theory. All right, guys. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And then, if you haven't watched the previous video, yeah, go and check and watch them. It's very important. So the new subtopic we have is the cardinality of a set, and then we are going to look into a power set also into this video. All right. So let's get started. So what is cardinality of a set? Now, given set A. So we said the cardinality of A, which is denoted by this, and or it can also be written in this form. So the cardinality of A is the number of elements present or contained in a set. So that is cardinality of a set. So given set A, so we said the cardinality of A is the number of elements present or contained in the set. Are we together? Now let's say we have set A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I ask us to find the cardinality of A. So cardinality of A will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 elements that is present in this set. So that is what we call the cardinality of the set. Now, another example, let's say A is equal to 2, 3. Then I ask us to find the cardinality of A. So cardinality of A will be equal to 2 because we can find 2 elements in this set. So we have cardinality of A is equal to 2. So simple. All right, guys, now let's move to power set. What is a power set? Yeah, power sets. Just use another ink for that. Now, given set A, then we said power set of A, which is written in this form, is a set of all subsets of A. That is the set that consists of all the subsets of A. That is what we call a power set. And then we have the cardinality of the power set. So cardinality of the power set, cardinality of a power set. So which is written in this form, you have n of p of A, or you see it in this form, the absolute value of p of A. So is the number of subsets in A. Sorry, so it's the number of subsets in A. So that's what we call the cardinality of a power set. All right, guys, so let's do some examples. And then before the example, I would like to give us the formula for calculating the cardinality of a power set. So the cardinality of a power set is given by 2 raised to the power of n. So where n is the cardinality of the set A. Okay, now let's do this example. Now, let's say set A equals 1, 2. Then we are asked to find the cardinality of the power set of A, and at the same time we are asked to find the power set of A. Now, if we want to find the cardinality of the power set of A, remember that I said the cardinality of the power set of A equals to raised to the power of n. So where n is the cardinality of A, then what will be the cardinality of A? If we count, how many elements can we see? We have 2 elements. So that shows n equals 2. So that will be 2 raised to the power of 2. Then we have 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 multiplied by 2. And that will give us 4. So we have the cardinality of the power set of A to be 4. That is, when you find the power set of A, you must also get what? 4 subsets. Now let's do that. Power set of A will be equal to, don't forget, I said in my previous videos, I said an empty set is a subset of all sets. Are we together? So we can say empty set is a subset of sets 1, 2. 1 is also a subset of 1 comma 2, so I can say 1 is a subset of 1 comma 2. I can also say 2 is a subset of 1 comma 2. Then, and at the same time, in my previous video, I said a set is a subset of the set. That is 1 comma 2 will also be a subset of that particular set. Then if you count, how many subsets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 subsets. That is, the cardinality of the power set of A is equal to 4. That's how you solve for power set and the cardinality of a power set. So let's do this last example. Then after this, we move to the next topic in the next episode. Now, given set A equals 1, 2, 3, we are asked to find the cardinality of the power set of A, and then we also asked to find the power set of A. Now, let's find the cardinality of the power set of A. Making use of the formula that we gave, we said the cardinality of the power set of A equals to raised to the power of n. So where n is the cardinality of A. So how many elements can we see in A? 1, 2, 3. So we have 2 raised to the power of 3, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So that is, if you find the power set, you must have 8 total subsets in this particular set. Now, let's write out all the subsets. The first thing we're going to write out is the empty set. So we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 will also be a subset. We have 1, 3, 1, 3 will also be a subset. Now we have, we also have 2, 3. 2, 3 will also be a subset, and we have 1, 2, 3 itself. Now let's count. How many subsets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are the total subsets we have. You'll be wondering, why can't we write 2, 1? If we write 2, 1, that's a repetition, because 1, 2 and 2, 1, they are equal. 1, 3, 3, 1 are equal. 2, 3, 3, 2, they are equal. So we don't need a repetition. So that is why we have all this. And then we have 8 total subsets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And those are the power sets we have. We have the cardinality of the power set, which is 8. Okay, guys. So we shall see in the next episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.